Make a great choice today with the 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, stability control, tow hitch, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.